Look at this, I have a cord that I can hold in my hand here, and if I wanted to, I just flip it right over my shoulder right there. Okay, enough with the cord, Tom. Hey, I'm back this week with without a draw over episode because I'm going to share my process of my most recent piece. We can walk through it. Actually, let me pull it up here. Beep. So we're going to be checking that out, walking through it. There's a story about this piece. I kept it for the end of the video. Hope you enjoy. Let's get to it! Okay, so this is me sharing my process on the latest piece of mine. So this was, I don't want to tell you the story just yet, or the concept behind it. Let's just talk technical for now, and we'll save that for the end. Okay, so the story of this, it is pretty interesting. It's inspired by a true recent story about a woman who learned she contracted COVID after she boarded a flight and took off. All parties decided it was best she quarantined in the bathroom for the entire flight. I guess she was treated very well though by Iceland Air, and she was being checked on every minute, but I thought that was just a really unique situation to be in. I had a quote here for you. Writer's block? I've heard of this. This is when a writer cannot write, yes? Then that person isn't a writer anymore. I'm sorry, but the job is getting up in the fucking morning and writing for a living. Warren Ellis, I believe he's a comic book author. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the process. We will see you next week with episode of A Draw Over 10, episode 10.